Morning, Realtor Michael B with MVP Realty. I'm out here at my newest listing about to go live April 1st. Sitting here waiting for the photographers now. Give you a little preview of the listing. Hot and up and coming neighborhood, a lot of new construction going on. Brand new house, brand new house, brand new house. So a lot of growth growing out here. Like I said, this is in Northwest Cape, just north of Chiquita. The assessments are just on the other side. Not set to come out here for quite some time. Rumor has it, once they go east and west, it will be a while before they come out this way because they have to have a whole new water plant. So screen front entry, tongue and groove in the ceiling, nice little cedar planks. This home has been meticulously maintained. Impact windows all throughout. Got the bench rail trim, crown molding, upgraded baseboards, brand new carpet in this home. This home needs nothing. It's absolutely move-in ready. It's a gorgeous property. It's also got the tongue and groove on the back porch here with the cedar planking. Beautiful. Going in the master bathroom, master bedroom here. Crown molding all throughout, as I mentioned. Got shiplap in the bathrooms. The owner does trim for new construction homes, so everything's been meticulously done. Very much a lot of attention to detail. This is a 3-2 with 1,574 square foot. It has another room that's kind of being used as a playroom right now. Can be used as a den if you like it to. It's also got the wainscoting paneling on here in the front. Going to the guest bathroom, also has the shiplap paneling. This home will be listed for $230,000. As I mentioned, we'll be going on the market April 1st. Needs absolutely nothing. So if you are interested in buying this home or at least any other homes in the area, feel free to reach out. This is a 3-2 with 1,574 square foot. Brand new carpet, fresh paint inside and out. Impact windows. What more could you ask for? Like I said, this is located in Northwest Cape Coral. The assessments aren't quite here yet. Oh, still got my glasses on. Assessments aren't quite here yet. They'll be here probably next 5 to 7 years. No one really knows. Like I said, rumor has it they won't be out here for some time. The gentleman that lives in that house over there or right there, one or the other, actually works for Southwest Florida Water Management out here in Cape Coral, and he kind of dropped the ball and told us some insider information. So that's why I have what I said. Go back into the master here. Photos will be live throughout the weekend. The listing will be active April 1st. So if you want to get in here, if you want to show your buyers the home prior to going active, hey, let me know. Feel free to reach out. Maybe we can save some money for your buyers, save some money for my clients. 239-789-6867. That's my phone number. That's where you can reach me. Or corporalbyrd.m@gmail.com. That's cpl.byrd.m@gmail.com. Thanks for checking out the house, and hope to see you guys soon. I forgot to end this thing.